Okay, I'm gonna give you a little update on this property on Greenwell because the bank reduced this down to 159.9 and it's kind of blowing up. I think currently there's over 10 offers. And just because there's a lot of offers doesn't mean that's a lot of good offers. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, really nice street at the end of the cul-de-sac in the very back of the neighborhood. So there's just no traffic down the street or this part of the street. Very nice, big backyard. No HOA, so you can bring your boat back here. Lots of room. But the house needs work. If you've watched my other videos, you already know. House needs a roof. A lot of cosmetic repairs, sheetrock repairs. So I'm only gonna walk through this real quick. For anyone that hasn't seen my other videos, there's a fireplace. It's got some wood rot. So you've got this big den area. You've got another kind of formal living room area here. And your kitchen kind of sits in front of the house. Kitchen's one of the big updates that's going to be needed. It's got an oversized 2-car garage. All right, the hot water tank. Remember, if you watch my videos, if it's over 15 years of age, it's going to have to be replaced for insurance reasons. That will fail a 4-point inspection all day long. Okay, so you got a big garage. It needs a little bit of sheetrock repairs, paint. Typical, but big 2-car garage. This is a brick house, which is a lot of people's favorite. It is my favorite. You've also got this mother-in-law type suite over here on the opposite part of the house, which is a really nice selling feature. Even if it's not a mother-in-law, if you got teenagers, there you go. So the bedrooms don't need much really, except really paint and maybe update the electrical fans or something, the ceiling fans and flooring. But the bedrooms aren't bad. It's the master bedroom that needs most of the work. Okay, so this is the right side of the house. Let's go look at the bedrooms. One of the best things about this house, besides its location being on sewer, is the HVAC system was put in 2018. So probably has some warranties, but it's newer. And somebody cranked it on when I first walked in. It's definitely working. So these 2 bedrooms are Jack and Jill types, but even the walls are in good shape, just needs paint and flooring. And here's the master. This is gonna need the most work. You've got some sheetrock ceiling damage right here. Remember how I said this is very dated? You got your pink countertops, your old garden tub, ceramic tile. And that's really it. I mean, the roof is the biggest cost. Then everything else you see is mostly cosmetic and updates. So at $159.9 is definitely going higher than that. That price is too low. I know a lot of people want to offer under that. They think it's maybe that's where it's worth. Don't really agree, but it's definitely going over $159.9. We'll see. Should have an answer probably by the time this video goes live. But I just want to give a quick update. Greenwell, this one's really popular. Tons of offers, tons of activity, lots and lots of questions. But you get a good idea. You got lots of wallpaper in this front entrance. Here's your street. its own sewer, its own cul-de-sac, very, very back of the neighborhood. So it's very quiet. Good neighbors too, I've met most of them. All right, thanks. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them below. Be glad to answer. As always, thanks. Have a great day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Appreciate it.